Hello, Dormont. I'm Ben Estelle, the Borough Manager. Just wanted to take a couple minutes to talk about how the Borough is taking action in light of COVID-19 or the coronavirus. So right now, our office is closed to the public to help stop the spread, both to the public and to our employees. So a number of our office staff are teleworking, so they are at home, logged into their computers here at the Borough, and are working from home. When mail comes in, we take it and we scan it in and we email that mail off to them so that they can continue to do their jobs as efficiently as possible. The front desk staff has been sent home. We are only working with very few people in the office at any time right now. We are still answering phones, we are still answering emails, and we're taking care of as much business as we can, but obviously there's going to be a lot of disruption to a number of things. So permits, home closings, etc. are going to be slowed down, if not put on hold for some time. Our public safety officers are all still working, so there is no disruption to the work that they do. We are having to put a hold on any visits to the different stations. Some people like to hold birthday parties and come over and bring the kids in for a tour of the fire station and the police station, and we cannot do that at this time. We also are not doing fire prevention activities. So the fire inspections that happen for commercial businesses, etc., will not happen until things clear up for us. But all of the officers are all still working their normal shifts. They're still responding to calls. So none of that has changed, and there should be no concerns wondering if there's going to be coverage for somebody if there's a fire or an emergency situation. We are discouraging walk-ins from the police department. So if you need to speak to an officer, we really ask that you call in and somebody will get that call and take care of you. If you have an emergency, still call 911. That is the best way to get somebody to answer and to get a response quickly in any of those situations. Public Works is still working. They are considered an essential service. However, we have split them up to protect them as much as possible. So the Public Works crew has been split into two different shifts, and they will work offsetting days. They are all still on call, so if there is a larger scale emergency, they are still all available to us to help out. But we wanted to create as much distance between that number of employees as possible, which is why we split them up. Our parking staff has been sent home as well, and our crossing guards who typically work the school days. All of our employees are still being paid as usual. So we are not asking employees to take their sick leave or vacation leave or to take a reduction at all. The borough is still fully compensating its employees because this is not a problem of their creation. We would like to support them as much as possible through this emergency, and we hope that you would support us in those efforts. If you are yet unaware, we are doing a story time. We understand that your kids are probably going to be getting pretty bored without school to attend, and some of the adults may be getting bored as well. So at 1:30 every day, we'll be on Facebook. Just go to the borough's Facebook page, and right now we are reading Harry Potter. So please feel free to join us. We'll entertain you as much as we can. And try to create a little more normalcy in our disrupted lives. As I said, the phones are still open here. There's only a couple of us here, so if we don't answer right away, please leave a message and we will get to it. Otherwise, continue to email us. The staff is still checking their emails, and we will do everything we can to help you out through this time. There is a COVID-19 page on the borough's website where we're putting links to the most current information from the Allegheny County Health Department, from the state officials, as well as from the CDC. We also have a link there for any of our businesses. The Department of Community and Economic Development has a number of resources available for our businesses, and they've provided resources on their website, so we have a link for that. So if you know any business owners in our community or elsewhere, please direct them to that site so they can get the help that is being offered to them. Take care of one another. Please check up on your neighbors. If you have any at-risk neighbors, please give them a call, see how they're doing, and see if you can do anything to help them out. But keep obeying those restrictions that the CDC has put on us all. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Maintain social distancing, a good 6 feet in between people. Don't shake hands. Do whatever you need to do. If you're a Star Trek fan, if you're a Hunger Games fan, if you prefer Black Panther and Wakanda Salute, any of those is preferable right now to a handshake. So we ask you that you continue to take those measures and support one another, and we will do all we can to support you as well. So take care of yourselves, and as we learn more information, we'll provide more updates. Thank you.